So this is a short practice to help you in a moment when you feel overwhelmed. Please try and find a place where you can be undisturbed for 5 minutes, where ideally you can lie down and have your hands on your belly, or if not, just somewhere where you can sit comfortably upright with your hands on your belly. So please find that spot, and you can press pause and start again once you're there. So if you found somewhere to lie down, you might even also just take a scarf or something, a hat, or a t-shirt, and just place it over your eyes so that your eyes can truly rest in this practice. You can take a moment to stretch out your neck, sort of lengthen the spine a little bit. Lift up your hips to sort of stretch out your spine and then place them down again. Your knees can be lifted up so that your back can be straight. And I invite you to put both hands on your tummy. We are going to free ourselves from the stress of this moment with our breathing. And first of all, we find our breathing, whether it's coming in or out, and gently reestablish a kind of natural harmony with a couple of really deep in breaths and out breaths. You are alive. Here is your body. And this is a moment simply to kind of regather ourselves with our breathing and with our body, feeling our diaphragm rising and falling, with the hands rising and falling. And now we're going to take 10 breaths along our fingers. Whatever is this difficult moment, whatever burdens, weight, pressure, stresses are coming at you, we will carve out 10 breaths of freedom from them. So we can imagine that each finger represents an in and out breath, and maybe we start at the little finger of our right hand and just press it a little bit more on the in breath, that little finger, and a full out breath. And now the fourth finger of our right hand, press it in a little bit as we take a deep in breath. And out breath. Now the middle finger of the right hand, press and deep in. Deep out. Index finger of the right hand for the in-breath, press it in a little. And out. Now we come to the thumb of the right hand, breathing in, pressing the thumb in a bit. And out. Moving on to the left hand, our finger is keeping our concentration. It's a point of reference to really engage fully with our in and out breath. Little finger of the left hand, breathing in, a little deeper if we can, and breathing out, release. Fourth finger of the left hand, breathing in, and out. Third finger of the left hand, we can feel our body finding a kind of rhythm and peace with the breathing. Breathing out. Index finger of the left hand, press a little bit to feel it. Breathing in deeply and out. of the left hand, press just a little to feel it as we breathe in, and release as we breathe out. And just take a few moments to feel that rhythm of the breathing in, both hands on our belly, and out. In and out. Aware of our breathing really from inside the body. And widening our attention to feel our whole body now. If we're lying down, the back and the back of our head, our buttocks and our feet on the ground. Or if we're sitting upright, we can feel the weight of the chair or bench, our legs and feet on the ground. We are alive, we are free, and we have reclaimed our sovereignty in these breaths. Good luck.